How to install TikTok on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the TikTok app on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the App Store, and that's where we can safely install apps on our iPhone. So to do that, simply swipe from right to left until you see App Library, select App Library, and just type App. You should see the App Store come up, select that. When the App Store opens, select Search in the bottom menu, and then we just want to go to the top and type TikTok. Once you search TikTok, find TikTok right here, select it. You may see the cloud icon if you've already installed TikTok before on an iPhone. Go ahead and select the cloud icon or Get. It may prompt you for your Apple ID password, so go ahead and enter that. But once you do that, it'll start downloading and installing the TikTok app on your iPhone. Once you see open, select that, and we have now installed TikTok on our iPhone. Now we just simply need to go through the process of logging into our account. You can use Facebook, Apple, Google, or even your email address or phone number. But if you don't already have one, select sign up at the bottom and go through that process. I'm just going to sign in with my email address. You'll then be signed into TikTok, where if you select the home button, you can scroll through several different videos on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.